water storage, flooding, erosion, and all this is because of global warming. Now, the question rises, who is to be blamed? No one can blame for global warming except for humans. Humans' activities such as gases released from the power plants, transportation, and deforestation have been resulted in the increasing of gases such as carbon dioxide, CFCs, and other harmful pollutants in the Earth's atmosphere. The main question is how? How can we control the current situation and build a better place for future generation? Global warming is definitely the single greatest environmental challenge that our planet Earth is facing at present. We are recording the hottest days in decades ever. What's alarming is that the temperature of the Earth has been climbed to the highest point it has ever been in the past 12,000 years. It can only get worse from here if we don't stop it now. Respected judges, you will be surprised to know that Greenland is losing 20% more mass than it receives from new snowfall. Now, it is important to note that there is no silver bullet. We must all come together to tackle the global warming as a whole. Dear audience, global warming isn't a prediction. It is happening. A person denying it or unaware of it is complicit. Can you tell me? Do we have another planet to live on? Unfortunately, we are bestowed with this one planet only that can sustain life yet over the years, and we have turned a blind eye to blight it is in. Global warming is not an abstract concept but a global phenomena occurring ever so slowly even at this moment. Global warming is the phenomena occurring every minute resulting in the gradual increase of Earth's overall climate. Extreme hot weather is a direct consequence of global warming, but it is not an exhaustive consequence. There are limitless effects of the global warming which are very much harmful to the life on the earth. In the end, I would say it is better late than never. If we take a step today, we will have a much brighter future tomorrow. Global warming is the bane of our existence. So let's unite in action both to protect our planet's story